In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code a calendar in Notion. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking tasks, or just trying to add a splash of color to your schedule, Notion makes it easy and fun to visually differentiate your calendar entries. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your calendar set up in Notion. Navigate to your calendar table to get started. An essential step in this process is having a status property for your tasks. This status property will be the key to assigning colors to different entries based on their progress or completion. If you haven't set this up yet, take a moment to create a selection of statuses that make sense for your workflow. Once you've got your status property ready, let's focus on customizing your color coding. Begin by locating a status labeled In Progress, which you should be able to do from within your table. Clicking on this status will bring up various options. You want to select the Edit Property option, which allows you to adjust how this status appears visually. In this editing mode, you'll notice a default color setting. Click on it and you'll be presented with a selection of colors. Choose yellow to represent your in progress status. Yellow is a great choice as it's bright and noticeable, making it easy to see which tasks are currently active at a glance. Now let's turn our attention to the done status. Clicking on a task with this status will again give you the option to edit property. Once you enter this mode, instead of choosing yellow, select green. Green intuitively signifies completion and clarity, giving you immediate visual feedback of tasks that are finished. With these color settings now configured, it's time to ensure they translate into the calendar view. Head over to where your calendar is displayed. Right-click on the calendar layout, which will provide you with the ability to make additional changes. You'll want to select the option labeled Edit View. Once inside this menu, look for Property Visibility. This step is crucial because it allows you the opportunity to make sure the color coding appears prominently. Once there, simply click on the status property. This action will enable the colors you've selected for each status to appear directly on your calendar entries. And there you have it. Your calendar entries are now beautifully color-coded, making it quick and easy to see what's in progress and what's been completed. This simple setup can enhance your productivity by providing clear, visual cues about your task status right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.